Giant Tour, Delirance from way from Australia. True Island story. Big up every time. Delirance says, well, that is stage now. And Matty.
Welcome to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog attitude, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, the not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense. In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories. Welcome to True Island Stories. Blessed love my peeps. Happy Monday to one and all. You know what I mean? May your week be richly blessed with all the fame and fortune, but most of all, tranquility, which most of us seeks and some of us lacks. You will find it in its fullest this week and thereon. Now, I've been absent for a couple of days, but let me tell you something. Whatever you do, you cannot let it consume you totally, so you cannot spend time with your family or even take needed rest for the brain for it to regenerate. Because if we are not energizer bunnies, and if you keep going, then inevitably one day you will be gone. Because the same thing you strive to make so great, it's that same thing that will deplete you and eat you alive from the inside out. So as like the universe, we have to find balance. We have to find balance, and that's what I try to do. I have to get rest, because what I do is mental. And you know the guru of the headaches them, so sometimes the headaches them let me for 6. You know what I mean? And thanks for all the well wishers, but it's not a thing that has any cure. Them call it the suicide disease. Because the way the pain is so great, bro. You feel like you'd cut off your own head. You know what I mean? If you make the pain subside, I'll go away. Believe me, it's like you go sit down with God and the devil when they lick your man and sit down on a table and ask them why? Why me? So, I hope you guys appreciate the content when I bring, you know? Because there'll come a time when I have the major flare up and I just can't do nothing for months. You know what I mean? So, just hoping I really appreciate it, you know? Leave a like, a comment, you see me, and when me miss out, alright, Rushawn finally get charged. Rushawn finally got charged for his crime against Slickiana. That's Anika Townsend, you know, R.I.P. And I think, if you ask me, he got what he deserved, and I hope to God he's punished to the full extent of the law, because I doubt that was his first murder, but it's the first one them charge him for. And you know him do whole heap of assaults when get off scotch-free. You understand me? So I hope any female out there that he has done wrong, maybe the statute of limitation has run out, but still that can help the police, the investigating officer and the prosecutor in prosecuting him, because that can show a line of habitualism, you know, his modus operandi. That look, Slickiana was not the first person. The girl in Kingston, when run over the brother and dirt him and go try rape Elisa and then cut her throat, and then not even 3 or 2 months after that, him go Rossies, go chop up the woman in front of people in high school. And for all of that, there was no punishment. I tell you something, time longer than rope. You understand me? Time is longer than rope. We know them don't get in, but it's just a matter of when, not if. You understand me? And the next thing, before me get to the feature, I tell them say me go premiere a song, go Vegas, I lick out against an artist where me not call him name, me not sure if I him, but uno can put 2 and 2 together. And the song is out now, but me go premiere another video. You understand me? On the same rhythm there, Delirance, who most people now call the Silent Giant, is currently on tour promoting his album in Australia and New Zealand. He's down on the mic. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Who be my crocodile done it. A young boy that I gonna do the best show there, but you understand? So big up Delirance, you know what I mean? I do him thing, and if you can go support him Silent Giant album, believe me, and him have a song on it, you understand, when him Giant where, brother, the man attack how him feel and how the industry treat him, you know, but he put it in words never before heard. You see me? So you can go check out that. I'm going to put the links to the description in a Vegas song. You can tell me who what you would for the I wouldn't say true word because I listen to the song, him just attack how him feel. You know what I mean? And I think Vegas put him foot in that tune. And I want him best work me ever hear from I Am Blessed. Remember I Am Blessed? You see me? And another thing with him case, sometime with VP, sometime you don't believe everything you hear. Because some medias carry it. And not to blame the media we carry it. Say Vegas lost his case against VP. Believe me, it's not over and he has not lost. I am forbidden to say more on the topic because it's currently still in litigation. You understand me? So, and the big song, when I talk about a Head's Eye, you see that big song they were Vegas though? Yeah man, VP I try to control the song. Now imagine, you not did it, them not did it, when time the man a pen him song, him first big international hit. And I don't know what went on, you know. Hope Vegas can give me the detail and the scoop so we can bring it in helping him fighting, you see me, against the corporate giants who try to take away from, you know what I mean, the little artists. Whereas them see as a third world country, them think, oh, we not no sense. I know most time when an artist a boss, him just one boss, him just invigorated to go out there, you know. So them give them contract with some fine print. Let me tell you something. Don't cuss an artist until you walk a mile in him shows. Because when time have 3 baby mother, him come from sufferation, come from the garrison. Whether you not watch them thing there, you just want the next best thing. You know what I mean? And most Melissa Frisco kid, everybody that happened to, you see me, Frisco kid now getting no royalties off and big tune them. In Bailey, you see me? And at that, so young artists who no pay attention, me do a video for my Patreon. No, for no subscribe, you know. We are teaching how to get back on the money, you know. We are teaching how to do, you know. And I say no for we are boss all now. I make the same mistake, you know. I don't know who no have round on, you know. I don't know who no have round on, no. Brother, you see, if you don't believe me, go link on your favorite artist. Go link Cartel or go link Alkaline, because them man they do the right thing. If you don't believe me, go ask them how to do it. And then we tell you, but don't make the mistake where I tell you, say, Cartel one of the smartest artists in our business, you know. Him and Alkaline, you know. You see, if you don't follow for them footsteps, with the Sean Paul them of the world, the Shaggy them, you don't won't go wrong. Me left a video on my Patreon. Me think every artist, every producer will come to the game, even we're out there now. Because believe it or not, did you know that over close to $1 billion is out there spinning the ether for artists and producer that is uncollected? I mean, I talk enough Jamaican reggae singer and dancehall artists. So no have whole heap of money out there, you know. But when you don't want to watch a video, it up to you, know. You understand me? Alright. Next thing, come here, cut and go through, you know. You know this name pep up to the ketchup. You understand me? Like McDonald's fries. Alright. Now, me done carry the Squashman and J-Man series, you know, with several other vlogging outlets. You see me? So, all who don't want to listen, you understand. You know what I mean? But for those who follow my channel to keep up to what's going on, I am obliged and I'm obligated to bring them that news. You understand me? So the latest we are going now with Squashman thing, him scrub him Instagram. Clean 620k followers with the blue check. So you know say it hard for him delete the account there. Because you know just get 628 followers so. 1,000 followers, so you understand me? No. Why did you think he scrubbed his account clean? Everything. No followers, 628k are following. Him not follow nobody, 628k followers are following him. Him scrub it clean. Now why you think him do that? Come on, man, you don't have sense. No. This could have been avoided. But you see, instead, as some people act and be proactive, no, they have to be reactive because they acted foolishly and stupidly. No, who win in the long run? Although it's not a race. But who been tell them? Don't put them something there. Do not put them thing up on your Instagram, brother. Me not say if you're not going to range, you know, or, you know what I mean, you're legal, you see me, cops know legality from illegal activities. You understand me? If you go put that on your internet, make sure say your thing licensed. Make sure say you're in good stead with the law. You abide, within the perimeters of the law. Whichever country, whichever state, you understand me? Make sure, because if you operate outside the parameters, then I engage in illegal activities, then by the Almighty's will, as God made Moses, they will use that against you. Remember, them have the hip-hop police in America, A long time, brother. A long time I live here, and I live here before them farm that, So, if one things that them use it against hip-hop artists, we are citizens in the USA, then what make you think them wouldn't use it against illegal alien? Illegal immigrant? Why you think them wouldn't use it? Why in your head? What between your ears make you not think and say, say, me not going to do this because I'm illegal, you say, No, a man get a chance to cut well with other because the cops them a breed on him neck, and a corruption pinch the dog, It's a police tell the dog to cut, Because them go charge him for hate murder, And the dog cut well with other see bariba. Now you have so much more to feed. You have your youth them. I remember Pilgrim say him rich and long time. He not for the music. Same like how you not for the music, you not for the crime. Because the dog, let me tell you something. To whom much is given, much is expected. That which is given can be just as easily taken away. You understand? You want me to repeat it? Rewind the video. Me not have time for that. You understand me? Some just say, yo, God give you sense, you have sense. God call fool, but he not keep them. You get the chance to come to right in America. But instead what you do? You come accentuate your violence capacity. You bring in your rest of pilgrim them to create havoc, to create mayhem on American soil. But you still not think the technological advances and advantages where the cops have, the feds have here, as opposed to in Jamaica, where you can just go shell in one place and it not get catch. Brother, even if they not catch up on a location, them can rewind back the camera, as I said in previous videos, way down the road or 6 miles down the road, and draw up your picture, cause the stoplight catch you, because them have the descript of the car. And that me I tell her that you not fight against. And I see him something there in a Jamaica. Remember them catch a 3 pilgrim them in a outer old rope road where they in a Jamaica, I trap back the camera them, Them call it the eye in the sky, the CCTV cameras, You see me? No, if you never have to put up certain things, you wouldn't have to take down your video them. Alright, this is not the first time the pilgrim has scrubbed his Instagram clean. Remember when the pilgrim did their jail, You see me? And our C-Tac, I did all him. I remember C-Tac in him. You don't know, you can't tell me. When they want him as a personal interest, the man spent 6 months in jail and maga down in a brother. I vomit up the place and sick of diarrhea and sleep and ground, Couldn't hold it. Now, if you go there, so brother, and know what it feel like, why would you want to go back there? I remember, it's not like you were presented without a choice. You were presented with a choice. And you chose as an adult. Now, parental wise, we are going to blame. Sometimes we can't blame Squash. Because I wouldn't say his parents, his father contribute nothing. Well, we don't know go on behind the scene, but contribute nothing. Because when time he come say good thing, and the right thing, sometimes the truth, I know what you want to hear. You want to create a narrative, and you say, oh, the Guru God, I leak out. But if you go back and listen to the video them with me do, and nothing me know, I not say nothing. Nothing me know, I not say nothing, brother. When me could have go so, and my channel go so, and fly like bird. My channel could have fly like, I say no. I'm tell you, I'm privy to certain intel. You understand me? But I run my channel a certain way. That's why the Gary respect me, and that is more important to me than bossing the channel away. Me I take my time. Me I creep from nothing. From Serpy, give me Trent, and I work hard. Through headaches, through things, till we reach over there now, and we're on the road to 100,000. Give me a subscribe for that. But we are on the road to 100,000. If you just come, give me a subscription for that. Press the notification bell and give me a subscription for that. But not up to thumb, man. But as me I say, me never come here so come wish bad for your pilgrim unless me know say, yo, he's a nuisance to society. I don't do that. I'm a one. But guess what? Man, not come cuss me out, man. Cuss me out, come here try to tell your son the right thing. Oh, you fi cuss me. I know me do. Me no cuss you back. I never cuss you back like how you did. Remember, Anna, my mama so sit me get sent up on you know. You understand me? Anna, my parents me get sent up on her so sit and me say, no, me nah, but me can't go because me have some things I deal with. So me can't go up on nobody rest. Anything me come out and me no go back in there. Yeah, the last partner me now go. You bad brother, the body. Me don't say come back. Me don't go back. Anything me say me come out and me no go back. When me say me no go back in there. No. Which one I prefer? Had you not cuss me and the pilgrim listen to me, you don't know me from nowhere now, but me older than him. Me live America longer than him. Longer than no found where just a come. You can't know America. As a man did say that to me, you know, years ago, you know. The man said, God, you can't know America until I live here for 5 years consistently. Live here. Me never understand what I mean. Anybody that listen to me, don't think you know America, man. Take your time. Take your time, man. Go day by day. Understand your surroundings. Don't rush the brush and waste the paint. Stay upon it, crooked and cut straight. You will get there, man. Because sometimes when we think God late, are we too early, man? Him always depend on time, man. What me say? When time we think God too late, are we too early? Him always depend on time. Don't circumvent the circumference. Don't rush the brush and broke the bristle. Take time, pick us out the badness. The painting will be finished and you'll have a beautiful artwork, a beautiful project to put on display. Perhaps to collect millions in the back end. Patience is what? A virtue. The Guru has spoken. Thank you guys for listening. Now, I'm going to drop a next thing with Clawt. And, you know, positionally, where I'm there in the thing and what I'm do right now. So, listen out for that to come out. You understand me? Either today or tomorrow. And we'll get back in season 2 of Magic Dagic, the baddest police ever to do it. You understand me? And me ask you, me beg you, the link I got in the description. Remember the pilgrim have cancer, you know. You see me? And him put in fight for Jamaica. And we have a certain quota where I try to meet. You understand me? Because the bills them expensive. So help me to help an individual. I know me I get the money. I ain't get everything. God know. Me not get a dime. Me not charge percentage on everything there. Me not do that. You get anything on the say put in there. I ain't get it, man. Alright? Remember Darker Side of Paradise. The book written and narrated by Gurus Online. If you want it, it's cheap online, but if you want to support I, $50 per copy. 2 volumes. So that at 100, me email it to you. 31 episode. And remember, check out the clothesline, man. No, we have so much sitting out there, man. Represent the God, man. You see me? www.trueislandstoryteespring.com. I want to get on the merch. Merch on the perch. Merch on the perch. You don't know which path you go search. X. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in True Island Stories war. Well, you choose I am Joy. Pepper, you know the real J-thing, huh? How I grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buckle, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, we not do that. Boy, who no can't tell me jai, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know a wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and boy. Pointed pon him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption, I saw the ground rough, yeah. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things forever bury with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell me jai. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know a wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend them for door. None of that, you a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit.
Eight of crackers with a whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging. Oh, bloodshedding on the villages. You name it, you will live in it. Get rich, I do a special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we're full of, hey, and we know we trends back from the boy, I wanna do that. Oh no, can't tell when ja, oh no, who from your so we don't know around. Yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and fool. Point it on him head back and blow. Pop off him strap on him friend him for blow. None of that, now a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, marital corruption. Criminal, red from limited options. 10 generation, passing the set song. 1 man will live long. Name one, brings a fella with the name one. One honest politician, name one who and get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with jaw on the back. Who from your soul don't know what wrong go. Yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and go. Point it on him head back and go. Pop off him strap on him friend him do it. None of that to the top. Yo, you know the thing going on Sotto seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Go man. To them people.